Hey guys, welcome back to Dying for Color. This is your girl Star. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how I get like this smoky blonde look. So my client right here, which is my sister, she needs a little bit of zhuzhing up. Her hair needs to be toned, and we need to do her roots because look at her roots. They're growing in. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos. I have a bunch of videos coming soon. So right here, I am cutting her hair. I'm doing a little bit of a rough draft. I like to call it a rough draft. And just cut the end so that you don't have to waste a lot of color. But it's just like a baby trim, you know what I mean? So yes, let's get started. As you can see, I sectioned her into 5 different quadrants. It is a little bit crooked, but I did go back and fix it. So now I'm going to use some foils. These are the Fermar foils, the Foilit. I love them. The lightener I'm using is Pulp Riot lightener with some Olaplex. You need your Olaplex. I always use Olaplex for everything. And also I'm using 20 volume by Pulp Riot. I like to mix the same brands with the same brands. I hate intermixing different brands. I'm using Olaplex number 2 and I'm putting some in the bowl because I'm going to use this as a treatment while her hair is in the lightening process. So the ratio on this lightener is 1 to 1.5, and that's what I'm mixing right now. It's kind of hard to see because of the camera and the little film space that I had. I'm so sorry, but I mixed it to a 1 to 1.5 and then 1/8 of an ounce of Olaplex. Make sure that your lightener is completely mixed before you add your Olaplex in. So right here I am mixing, and this brush is called the Needle Brush by Fermar. I'll link it down below, but it is amazing for precise sectioning. The first section is going to be a weave. So I am doing a weave and then grabbing a foil. And you can see how outgrown her roots are. If you want to be even more precise, you can go a smaller section below where I started and do like kind of like back-to-back foils so that you get like that nice, when she pulls her hair up, it's like blonde, like it just looks good. But here, she doesn't wear her hair up too much. So I kind of started a little bit above where her hairline starts. So right here, I'm kind of feathering it down and a little bit feathering it up a little bit as well. This is a kind of a thicker section than I normally do, but I guess that day I was just feeling it. And so I'm also adding Olaplex 2 to the ends of her hair and kind of mixing it in with a bleach a little bit. So she's gonna have like a treatment plus the lightener. So yeah, and this is how I do her whole hair. So the first section is a weave. I'm folding over on the treatment so that it doesn't mix in with the lightener. So now I am grabbing 1/4 of an inch of a section, and I do 1/4 of a section all the way up, all over her hair. So I'm doing a baby weave or baby light, if you want to call it a baby light. So, and you want to make sure that you're getting full saturation. Saturation is key, and you want to make sure that you do feather towards the bottom and feather a little bit on the top. I know a lot of people don't like to feather on the top because you don't get like that full saturation, and sometimes it can leave you with marks, but it all depends on your sectioning. Sectioning is key and saturation is key. Now look at this, guys. Look how amazing her hair lifted. This liner is bomb.com. I used it with 20 volume, guys, and it lifted so well. So now I'm about to shampoo her with the Pulp Riot shampoo, the Bangkok shampoo. This stuff smells so good. Like, it smells up the whole salon. I really, really love it. So I'm just shampooing her. I'm making sure I get the back of her head because sometimes we do miss that part. We're in a rush sometimes. So you want to make sure that you get all that lightener out of her hair so that we can do a tone and also do a shadow root. So now it's time to mix the toner. The toner I'm using is Icy and Silver from Pulp Riot. These are high-speed toners. I'm mixing it with 6 volume from Pulp Riot. And these are really quick toners. You have to hurry, put it on, and take it off within, like, I mean, it like literally works before your eyes. It's crazy. But I am mixing 33 grams of Icy, 33 grams of Silver, and 66 grams of the Pulp Riot 6 volume developer. And I think I go over a little bit, like 68, I think it was what it is. But hey, it happens. What can you do? I just leave it in, like, it doesn't make a difference. So now I am mixing a 8-1 for the shadow root. This is like an ashy color. When you have the naturals go a little ashy, it is going to be a little bit darker in the color line. So I go a level up. So we're just gonna do a 8-1, and we just need to like bump up her base and also cancel out any imperfections, like any orange spots that she has, because I think she did have a little bit of orange here and there. But the ash tone is gonna cancel that out. So I am adding, I think I added, this is the shadow root. I added 30 grams. Yeah, I added like 30 grams of the 8-1 and 30 grams of the developer. And I use 6 volume developer because we just want to bump up her base. So right here, I am doing the shadow root and I'm trying to hurry up and get this shadow root on. You can see some little imperfections, but the shadow root is going to blend it so well. And I'm using a Fremar brush. I feel like the bristles are really like kind of, they're like, I don't even know. It's hard to explain it. I have to show you, like, I guess in a video, but if you don't know about Fremar brushes, you definitely need these. I feel like they blend like shadow roots amazing. I freaking love their brushes. I have a bunch of them. So I did the front first and then I went towards the back. I'm not sure why. I should have did the back first and then the front, but who knows what I was thinking recording this video. But you can see some imperfections right here. But you know, that shadow root is just going to cancel that out and it's going to blend everything all together. And yeah, so you can see, look at that, look at that. But we're gonna cover that. We're gonna cover it up with the shadow root. So this, I love shadow rooting, guys, because I feel like it just makes everything blend together. It's just, I don't know. I feel like I freaking love it. But yeah, you can see color flying because I'm trying to hurry up and put this shadow root on. If y'all have any comments on how I did anything, please let me know down below. I'll answer any questions. Please, no mean comments. You know, it was hard recording this video, I ain't gonna lie. But right here, I'm adding the toner. I'm grabbing it with my hand and slapping it on. I can't even talk. But I'm slapping the toner on because it is a rapid toner, guys. So I started in the back because it's gonna take real fast and I want the front to be the brightest. So you could go in with a brush, but I feel like you're gonna take forever. Like, nobody has time for that. You need to like slap it on, hurry up, and call it a day, okay? So I'm doing like just bigger sections, grabbing it with my hands. If you have sensitive hands, please wear gloves. My hands are actually sensitive, but if I just didn't feel like it, I was just trying to hurry up and get this done. So yeah, I'm just grabbing you just bigger sections and you know, smudging it in with the shadow root. So you can see right here on how fast this toner works. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. That looks so amazing. So I'm still applying the toner and now I'm gonna brush through. I'm gonna use this wet brush. I think it's like a wet brush. And I am brushing through her hair. I'm trying to mix the shadow root with the toner. So I'm kind of just brushing it through. I used actually the wrong brush for this. I should have used my Wow brush or my Wow comb, but I didn't have it on me. I don't even know what happened to that brush. But if you have a Wow comb, I would use that, or a comb or something, because this brush kept getting stuck. It's more for like blow drying, you know? It's like a Vitten brush. But yeah, I'm just trying to mix it in, and it's working real quick. That her hair is looking freaking gorgeous. So I left it in for like about, I would say about 5 minutes or so. I left it in, and then I rinsed her out. The longer you leave it in the toner, the darker of a tone you're gonna get, because it is a rapid toner. Um, so yeah, so look how gorgeous that looks already. It looks so beautiful. So I'm blow drying her hair with the Babyliss Pro blow dryer. I love this blow dryer. But look at that color, guys. Look at that shadow root. Look how that shadow root blends in so well. Look how it canceled out any warmth at her roots, because my sister hates freaking orange. She's like one of my worst clients ever. But it canceled out any warmth. This is what it looks like dry. Look how it like blends so freaking well, guys. Look at that blend. Oh my god. I can't get over it. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you want more videos like this. I will do some more videos like this. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.